Hi there, I'm Eva, and if you don't know me, go to englishwitheva.com and check my English course. I'm here to help you with your English. If you don't know these words, try to repeat them after me. Repeat also the sentences. This is the best way you can do for your speaking. If you don't have anyone to speak with, just try to repeat the sentences after me. It's not a big deal, you don't have to tell stories, just repeat the sentences after me. Let's try it together. Envelope. I cannot find the envelope. Shoe. I need to buy 2 pairs of shoes. Trade. He trades in securities. Famous. She is a famous actress. Lazy. Don't be so lazy. Presents. His presence is not necessary. Comb. Comb your hair, please. Gray. It turned gray. Shade. Get in the shade or hide in the shade. Pleasure. It was pleasure to help you. Touch. We will keep in touch, or we will stay in touch. Guide. I will guide you. Side. The law is on our side. Check. Have you checked it? Customer. We want to satisfy our customers. Guarantee. It is still under guarantee. Place. This place is amazing. Island. Let's swim to the island. Pillow. How many pillows do you need? To watch. Can you watch him for a while? Watch. I need to buy a new watch. Attend, attendance. I have been attending the course for a year. Continue. Can we continue? Flat. My tire is flat. To record, record. Record it again. It is my personal record. Thirsty. I'm not thirsty. Hall. We will meet in the hall. Joke. You must be joking. Overcome, overcame, overcome. They overcame everything together. Sofa. I have bought a new sofa. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye.